quite the storm here. It's 2 in the morning. We gotta get these in, get them sheltered. After days of 30-degree heat, last night the storm arrived. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Happy Thursday to you all. It is Thursday the 28th of May 2026 and it is day 102 of the Chilli Grow Up. Now last night I was awoken by lightning flashes and thunderclaps. A big storm came out of nowhere in the early hours. So as you've just seen, we had to get up, get them under the trees so they were sheltered enough. And I'm just going to check through now and make sure they're all okay. Make sure they survived the storm and they can go back outside, back in the sun and dry off. And if they need to dry off and get the energy they need to carry on through the rest of the days. I hope you've had a wonderful week. I hope it's been a great week so far. You had a great Thursday. We're doing well. Miss Lucy's just having a little snooze as usual, aren't you? Full of eggs, full of mango and everything. Hey. Oh, hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. And Ted's chilling out on the carpet, aren't you, boy? Teddy. Hello, sir. You alright, mate? Alright, let's do this. Let's get in to day 102. Thank you. That was quite the storm last night. As beautiful as it was, it really did throw some rain down. I think it did make a difference being under the tree. But they need some sun, so I'm going to move them to the front garden where it's full sunlight. It's going to be about 26, 27 today. So not that crazy. Warm enough though. Be just right for the plants. They're looking great though, aren't they? Shall we, Lucy? Shall we? Let's do this. Potted plants from this shelf where they're completely exposed last night when the storm was going on. Just to here where the tree gave enough protection. They're looking great though. Really well. Look at that cayenne. Flying out. That one we're a little bit worried about. Might have had it. There we go. Beautiful. They're doing good. So I'm going to move them back to this sunnier shelf and then we'll get the rest. From the back garden, there wasn't much sun. And I don't think they got affected too much by the storm. Not too much water at all, if any. So we're going to leave them out here in the front garden so they get lots of sun. We'll keep checking on them periodically. And we'll be checking the smaller cups, see how they're doing with the roots and the growth. And remember, we've got our cayenne here looking good. I'll clear all these seeds or flowers or whatever it is that blew in from the storm. It's looking all right. They're looking really good, especially some of these potted plants. Just thriving. Doing really, really well. Got little jungles growing everywhere, haven't we? Yeah, they're all doing great. We'll check on them closely very, very soon. Got the Sugar Rush Peach Stripeys next. They're doing alright. Looking good. Roots are still very slow. Again, I think it's just a Baccatum species. They like to take their time. But the stem's good and thick. The leaves are nice and dark. No real complaints here. Looking great. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Got the Dream Catchers here. Now some are doing a bit better than others. This one, for example, a little bit droopy on the leaves. I genuinely think it's just a little dry on the soil. Might be a bit too much heat, but that's okay. We'll just keep an eye on it. See, there's the other ones here. Look, just flying out, doing so good. Our tallest one, and lots of shoots, lots of leaves down the stem. Probably ready for a transplant about now. Let's have a quick check of these last two. See, this one's doing lovely. Roots out the bottom. Now this one, like the other one, they're a bit, not bad, but not as productive as the others. But yeah, doing good. No big complaints. It's just they're changing up a little bit now, I suppose. but all good on the drink. We have our habaneros here, and both are doing just fine, especially this one. All those roots. Going to be ready very soon for a transplant. This one is smaller, but new leaves are coming through in the middle. Honestly, the roots are hitting the bottom now. No complaints on the habanero. Got our smallest Buena Mulata here, but looking good. Lots of new shoots starting down the middle, look. Beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful. Look at that coming off the side there. It's like a whole new plant. Fantastic. And the roots are sticking out the bottom. Just perfect. Buena Mulata. Our regular jalapeno. It's looking a bit sad the other day. Those leaves were a bit floppy. They've firmed up quite a bit now, look. Super stuff. Looking lots better. Yep, great roots. Perfect. Jalapeno. Got our 2 remaining Tabascos here that are still in the cups. We transplanted the one the other day and he's looking great. As are both of these. Look at them. Just perfect. And the roots, yeah. Gonna need a transplant in a day or 2. I see this one. The soil looks good. This one already. I just think he's drinking super quick. Looking alright. Leaves are a little droopy on the edge here, look, see? These end leaves. Lots of roots. No complaints on the Tabasco. This Carolina Reaper is looking fantastic. Every day, new little leaves there, new shoots coming through the middle. So much going on down the stem. Great roots. All the way down the bottom. Yep. Soon ready for a transplant on the super hot Carolina Reaper. Got a black jalapeno here. And look how nice and dark green these leaves are. This is what we're looking for. Lots of nitrogen working well. The sun's beaming right. Photosynthesis is going well. And the chlorophyll is flowing through the leaves. Look at all these leaves. Just fantastic. They were so short for quite a while. Yeah, the roots are coming through now. Fantastic news on the black jalapeno. After checking through these cupped plants, they're looking alright, aren't they? I think the storm has done very little damage, if any damage at all. They've done absolutely fine, so I'm happy to see that. Now tonight the temperature is going to go down to potentially 9 degrees, 9 to 12 degrees, so that's going to be a bit too cold. So they will come inside tonight, just for the night time, and then the second the sun rises, we'll be putting them straight back into the sun. Let's wrap up day 102. I want to thank you all for joining us. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want you to take care of yourselves, please. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thanks again. Take care. Have a great week, and we're going to see you Friday for day 103. You take care of yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.